Hi, today we're going to make Italian merengue. This is a very easy recipe. We're going to need 4 eggs. You're going to separate the egg white from the yolks, and we're just going to use the egg whites, and we're going to add 1/4 cup of sugar, and we're going to put it in the blender. We're going to add a little bit of vanilla extract, and then we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar if you have. If you don't, it doesn't matter. Then you're going to put in a pan while the eggs are still beating. We're going to put 1 cup of water and 1/4 cup of sugar over strong heat. We're going to let it boil a bit, and we know when it's ready. It has to be like, it doesn't have to be that hard. You just have to put a little bit on the counter or on a glass plate, wherever, and you see like you have like these little threads, little hairs. Well, that's when it's ready. You have to put it in between your fingers, and you have to see like little hairs come out, and then it's ready. And we're going to pour it on our egg whites while they're still beating, and we're going to add it little by little like I'm showing you here. And you keep on beating, never stop beating. And once you finish adding it all, you just continue beating it until it cools down, more or less 5 or 10 minutes. You will know when it's ready when it turns very, very white and it's very, very stiff. So you'll have a very stiff batter. It won't fall down if you make any type of decoration. So you can just store it in an airtight container, or you can use it immediately. I spread some on my cake. This cake I had been ordered, and then I decorated it with some of this merengue, and then I put some little merengues on the top, and I did like trim on the bottom, and then I just put some chocolate on top of it, and that's it. So if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free and you will help me so much. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.